Before anything, compliment of the season to everyone of us here. My name is Honorable Segun Olulabi Eleniyo, and I'm happy to be here in Ojoro. I'm happy to be with you. Before I say anything, I would like to join the classes and hear what is going on before I now come back here to address you. Is that okay by you? So our facilitators should be ready to teach me one or two things. I also want to be skillful in those areas that you are being taught, so that you also will understand that one, there is no age that you cannot brush up your skills. There is no limit to knowledge, and it will give you an opportunity to understand that you are not just here for the fun of it. You are here to gain something. Values are being heightened as we are here, and I believe that I also want to add value to my life too. So, and I'm glad I'm seeing very young child within the age of 7, 8, 9, 10. I can see some of them here. I think this is one of the greatest thing that will happen to you at your age. I have someone who reshaped my life, who is also from this local government, but is bigger than the local government, is bigger than the state, is even bigger than the country, and the fellow is an ideal and take care of the company. He has a great influence in my life as a young boy. So when I see young child here, I know that a lot is going on here. A lot is going on here because you will never imagine what God is doing in their lives as they are here. They are learning a lot, and you will see them progressing in life. Those things that they are trying to revive or to develop will see them through in nearest future. So for me, it's nice to be here. I'm at home, coming back here. Anytime I've been invited to Mushin, I know it's an homecoming, because the man that have great impact in my life, and I'm going to talk about him very soon. But before then, let me also enjoy the skills that will be transferred to me through the facilitators. Once again, I appreciate all facilitators here and all the participants. And I say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Thank you. God bless you. So, good.
라이너 해봐. 내가 와야지. 머리다가. 와, 블러리.
We are making one of the seminar, which is we are making different types, which in learning is within that 3 days. Rest of them which is Saturday. We are making use of filing machine and every other. In the next 3 days, we will be a professional.
When you become people a professor, they also have a skill that can make you try to be them. Whatever it is, God bless you. Okay, they are trying to teach you. Yes, sir. So she's the only one that eats. She's the only one that eats. Okay, I should come there. Yes, sir.
So maybe the person wants to decide before
So you'll be able to do your teaching at home and able to serve for your neighborhood. Thank you.
this one is good. Make it small. Make it more. Like make it more. That's it. Put this thicker than the normal way. Now also, maybe I want to move it from look at this. This is the normal weight. And if I hold it like this, see, it's thicker. So you are the one that will start heavy. The one that is cold, the one I want. Slightly piece, where the right That's what you call it. The Italian people don't write straight, they write bent. So when you do like this, it's because we coded like this. That's why it's not good. Look at it. You get it? Okay. You feel that this one, this one is
I hope you all concentrate. Please learn to make
He's going to say.
Once again, I say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. I would love it if you just give me, is it 10 minutes and 15 minutes? Just give me time to that. Well, I want your full attention. I'm sorry, I'm going to take 10 minutes from your time, but I believe this 10 minutes is going to be a fruitful and rewarding 10 minutes. Taking out time at this critical period to use it to learn a particular skill, I want to especially congratulate every participant here for taking out time to fill the form, for taking out time to say this is one aspect that I would love to learn. I want to congratulate every one of you here, and I also want to appreciate the Lao Foundation and the Odulu Edu for coming together to give us this opportunity. All over the world, we're in a pandemic. A lot of our economy is being affected by this pandemic. And a lot of families have lost their jobs. Hello? Please, can we just have this period to concentrate and listen to what I just want to tell you today. This year has been a year that a lot of people will never forget in their life. We've recorded so many deaths. Jobs were lost. Our social life have been taken away from us. So if we now assemble here today to change the narratives, because when jobs were lost, a lot of our family could not afford to have the 3 square meal again. A lot of our family could not even have accommodation in view of what happened with coronavirus pandemic, COVID-19. We were not prepared for it. Nobody knew 2020 is going to be like this. I can't recall since when we've been talking about Vision 2020. But we never think this is what Vision 2020 is going to bring for us. But today, these great men came together to put this together for us, and women who are serving as facilitators. And I am very, very happy when I saw every facilitators that are here, that they are all young people, they are all youths. When some youth are determined to destroy the little legacies that our fathers, our leaders are putting together for us, you are coming together to have value to the society. I must commend you. I must thank you for doing so and creating time to pass knowledge to the younger generation. For me, this is the essence of Christmas. This is the essence of having a life, a fulfilling life. When you can pass knowledge, you can have value to the lives of people around you. We all here, please don't leave this place without gaining something. I've seen people who are learning how to become a shoemaker. Those who are learning graphic artistry, and those who are also learning computer, those who are learning catering job, anything that you are here, or makeup artists or whatever, that you are learning here is an opportunity for you to make use of your life. For instance, a lot of people knows me as a politician, but I can imagine if I do not have a second address after I left the office. I don't know, and I know I have a lot of colleagues, even those who came before me, that have left office, but you can't hear about them any longer after they left office. What differentiates me and some other people from others is the fact that we have second address, and that second address is what you are being trained for today. If you want to be in politics, if you want to be a professor, if you want to be a medical doctor, there will be a time, like I told you, when the pandemic comes in, we never imagine something like this going to happen. We see a lot of bankers that have been sent out of job. So what are they relying on today? Some of them are going back to tailoring, fashion designing. A lot of them are into catering today, event planners. About a few days ago, I know of a very important personality in this country that called me and said, I want a graphic artist. So that shows you that what you are learning here can bring billions into your account. And some people are learning how to make shoes. All these so-called big designers that will go to Europe to go and buy in Italy, in America, in UK, they started from somewhere. Coca-Cola that we drink all over the world today started from a dining table, from a family. So if you are making soap and your soap becomes the best soap, and all you get on one soap that you make is just 2 naira, but you are able to make 2 million soaps, that means your 2 naira multiplied by 2 million will become millions for you. So that shows you that it's not this white collar job that will make you to become anything in the future. You don't need to be a politician to be successful in this country. We have seen the likes of Aliko Dangote. We've seen the likes of Olarisho Alakija. They are not politicians. But they are what they have today. The kind of influence they command, the Genovians, the kind of influence these people command. Some of us who are politicians do not have it. Because every president wants to reckon with Dangote. Every governor wants to reckon with him. And he was never a politician. He was just a businessman. You want to create everything that will make use of in your household. You just look at what the Chinese are doing globally. And he started doing it in his early age here in Nigeria. Now, it's hard for you to go to any house without seeing the Dangote products. It's either it's a cement, or is whatever thing is creating. Even the refinery that is happening in my own area here now, it's going to be the biggest thing in Africa very soon. So what am I driving at? What you are learning is not just for you to waste your time here. Please devote everything to get it, and you can become whatever thing you want to become in life. Don't joke with this. Those white collars will not earn you anything. For me, I went back to waste management after I was a graduate After I became a graduate, after I was a banker, I still went back to waste management. And that is what is putting food on my table today. I was a banker, and I was also looking for a banking job when there is none that is available. Then I saw a need, which is the heap of refuse that everybody is seeing all over the country, and we all complain about it. But me, as I see money, I'm not just seeing money in it, I'm seeing billions in terms of dollars. Because there is a lot to get from waste. Those things that we call waste. I want to be a billionaire. What's the name of that position? You understand? So, if you want to be a billionaire, you might become a billionaire by learning a software that the entire world will rely on. I saw something today between Nokia and Apple, the founder of Apple and the founder of Nokia. Nokia was having over $110 billion when in 2006, while Apple was having about $90 billion as assets. Today, Apple is in trillions. But Nokia have reduced from that $110 billion to about $20 billion in assets. What differentiates the two? Innovation. All of you can be in this class together, but there is one man, there is one woman, and if you are the fellow, you remember this day that I told you that you will be the one that will bring in an innovation into that thing you are learning today, that the entire world will be craving for, and that will turn you to become a billionaire. By the grace of God, so shall it be. So for me, every one of you seated here is a challenge for you to look at things outside the box. When others were looking for white collar job, I make up my mind that I will continue to employ people in my own business. I don't want to be an employer of anybody, but I don't want to be an employee in any organization. I want to remain an employer. Today I am an employer, and I believe every one of you have the same capacity, the same potential for you to become an employer. In that thing that you are learning, it might be shoes. I'm wearing one today. It might be a locally made shoe that we can be selling to the entire world if only somebody can bring in an innovation and add value to what you are learning today. You have to think beyond what you are being taught. You have to start looking at how can I think outside the box. These are the rules that they do, but what can I add to what I've been taught that will differentiate me from others? I've seen so many event planners that today they are multi-billionaires. I've seen people who are caterers that today, if you want to have any social engagement, they are the people who always mention their needs. But you can come in and make a difference in that thing, and you will become the best in your field or the skill that you have achieved. May God continue to bless you. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a resounding applause once for Honorable Olusegun Olulade. It is not easy, all the way from the Honorable Olusegun Olulade. On behalf of everyone here present, Honorable, I say a very big thank you to you, sir. In fact, here we have people, students, that have already imbibed the ideology of Millennium. We have students from the school you visited the other time. Where are you? Just raise your hand if you are here. Millennium, say Millennium if you are here. Millennium. Right now, they are also doing greatly. I think when are we going to see that again? Don't worry, we are going to see Millennium. And I believe strongly that you have learned more than enough from his words. Once again, let us appreciate Honorable Olusegun. We are happy. We are happy. This certificate of admiration is presented to Honorable Olusegun Olulade Eleniyan for his selflessness and dedication to the building during our week-long free skill acquisition and motivation shows here in Odiolu Ojuboye LCDA Secretariat this day, 28th December. Congratulations on your well-deserved performance. Eleniyan.
Well, I also want to appreciate everyone here. I didn't plan for this, I didn't know this is coming, but what he said, I've been satisfied as a computer literate, as a shoemaker, as a graphic designer, as an event planner. So if anybody sees me tomorrow doing event planning, or doing makeup, becoming a makeup artist, please don't send me away from your profession. Once again, I really appreciate you. And you know, in Millennium, we have dynasty, we have what we call Millennialism, which is the ideology beyond now. We have my Bobo Millenniums and the CC Millenniums. I appreciate all of you. We have the Millennium Ambassadors. I appreciate you all for being part of this great vision. We will stop the entire Africa and the entire world in a very unique way. We are gaining it gradually and will continue to move forward and achieve, greatly make impact in our sphere of life and professions that all over the world will reckon with us. Once again, thank you, and thank you for having me here. May God continue to bless you and increase you all. God bless you.
Go with you.